Welcome back, Coinology. Have you ever picked up a simple 1994 1-cent coin from your pocket, your piggy bank, or an old coin jar and wondered if that tiny copper-colored coin could actually change your life forever? It may sound unbelievable, but the world of rare coin collecting is filled with incredible discoveries that have transformed ordinary people into owners of extraordinary treasures. Across the United States, countless individuals have unknowingly spent or stored valuable pennies worth thousands, hundreds of thousands, and in exceptional cases, even millions of dollars. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most talked about Lincoln cents among collectors, the 1994 1-cent coin. At first glance, it appears almost identical to millions of other pennies minted during the same year. Yet beneath its familiar appearance lies a fascinating history, unique design, important specifications, rare varieties, minting errors, collector demand, and astonishing auction stories that continue to captivate the numismatic community. The Lincoln cent has remained one of America's most recognizable coins for generations. Introduced in 1909 to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth, it became the first regular United States coin to feature the portrait of a real historical figure. Before Lincoln appeared on American coins, most designs featured symbolic representations such as Lady Liberty. The decision to place Abraham Lincoln on the cent forever changed American coinage and established a tradition that continues today. By the time the 1994 Lincoln cent entered circulation, the design had already become deeply familiar to Americans. Every trip to the grocery store, every handful of change from a cashier, every child's coin collection likely included at least one Lincoln penny. Few people paid close attention to these coins because they were considered common and inexpensive. However, experienced collectors know that appearances can be deceiving. Hidden among ordinary-looking coins are rare die varieties, striking errors, transitional pieces, and exceptionally preserved examples that can command astonishing prices. The obverse of the 1994 Lincoln cent proudly displays the right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, one of America's most respected presidents. His calm expression symbolizes leadership, determination, and the preservation of the Union during one of the nation's most difficult periods. Sculptor Victor David Brenner designed this portrait, and his initials, VDB, appear subtly near Lincoln's shoulder on modern Lincoln cents. This portrait has survived for decades because collectors and historians consider it one of the finest coin portraits ever produced in the United States. Above Lincoln's portrait appears the famous national motto, "In God We Trust," arching gracefully across the upper edge of the coin. To Lincoln's left is the word liberty, representing one of the core principles upon which the United States was founded. To his right appears the date, 1994, accompanied by a small mint mark on coins produced outside Philadelphia. Every detail on the obverse serves a purpose, combining history, patriotism, and artistic excellence into a design barely larger than a fingertip. Turning the coin over reveals the reverse design known as the Lincoln Memorial Reverse. Introduced in 1959, this design commemorated the 150th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. At the center stands the magnificent Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., carefully engraved despite the extremely limited space available on a 1-cent coin. Under magnification, collectors can even see the tiny seated statue of Lincoln inside the memorial, an incredible achievement considering the coin measures only about 19 millimeters across. Surrounding the Lincoln Memorial are the inscriptions "United States of America" across the top, 1 cent boldly displayed beneath the memorial, and the national motto "E Pluribus Unum" positioned above the building. Together, these inscriptions reinforce both the coin's denomination and the ideals upon which the nation was built. One of the most important characteristics collectors examine is the coin's composition. The 1994 Lincoln cent consists primarily of zinc with a thin outer layer of copper. Specifically, it contains approximately 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper plating. This composition was introduced in 1982 to reduce production costs as copper prices increased dramatically. Although the coin appears copper in color, its core is mostly zinc. The official weight of a genuine 1994 Lincoln cent is approximately 2.5 grams. This specification is extremely important because experienced collectors frequently weigh their coins when searching for unusual transitional errors or wrong planchet strikes. Even a small difference in weight can indicate that something extraordinary occurred during the minting process. A precision digital scale capable of measuring to 1/100th of a gram is often one of the first tools serious collectors purchase. The diameter of the coin measures 19.05 millimeters, while its thickness averages about 1.52 millimeters. The edge is plain rather than reeded, giving the coin its familiar smooth circumference. These physical characteristics help experts authenticate genuine examples while identifying possible minting anomalies. The mint mark found on a 1994 Lincoln cent significantly influences collector interest. Coins without a mint mark were produced at the Philadelphia Mint. Coins displaying a D were struck at the Denver Mint. Those carrying an S were manufactured at the San Francisco Mint, generally as proof coins intended specifically for collectors rather than everyday circulation. Each mint operated independently using its own dies, machinery, and production schedules. As a result, certain varieties and mint errors may appear only at one mint facility, increasing their rarity and desirability. Collectors often compare Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco examples side by side, searching for subtle differences in strike quality, die wear, and surface preservation. During 1994, the United States Mint produced billions of Lincoln cents to satisfy nationwide demand. Because of these enormous production numbers, most surviving examples remain worth only face value if heavily circulated. Yet the sheer quantity minted also means that rare errors had more opportunities to occur. Even if only a tiny fraction of 1% contained significant mint mistakes, those errors could still number in the hundreds or thousands, creating exciting possibilities for collectors searching through old coin rolls. Minting a coin may seem simple, but the process involves remarkable precision. Massive coils of metal are punched into circular blanks, which are then cleaned, heated, upset to create raised rims, and finally struck under tremendous pressure between engraved dies. Each strike permanently transfers every design element onto the metal surface. If any step in this complex process goes wrong, the resulting coin may become an error piece highly sought after by collectors. Some of the most desirable 1994 Lincoln cents featured doubled dies. These occur when the working die receives multiple impressions during its creation that are slightly misaligned. The resulting coins display noticeable doubling on letters, numbers, or design elements. Genuine doubled dies differ significantly from machine doubling, making careful examination essential. Professional grading services carefully authenticate these varieties before assigning values. Off-center strikes represent another fascinating mint error. If the blank fails to align correctly before being struck, part of the design may be missing while a blank crescent remains visible. The greater the off-center percentage while still showing the full date, the more valuable the coin often becomes. Dramatic off-center examples can command substantial premiums depending on condition and rarity. Broad strikes occur when the retaining collar fails during striking, allowing the metal to spread beyond its normal boundaries. These unusual coins appear larger than standard cents while lacking the defined raised edge. Such errors immediately attract attention because they look distinctly different from ordinary pennies. Die cracks develop after thousands of strikes as the steel dies begin wearing out. Tiny fractures form within the die, transferring raised lines onto every subsequent coin struck. Although minor die cracks are relatively common, spectacular examples can become highly collectible, especially when they produce bold raised features crossing major portions of the design. Die breaks can become even more dramatic. When a portion of the die actually breaks away, the missing section creates raised blobs of metal on every affected coin. Collectors often give memorable nicknames to spectacular die breaks, making these varieties especially popular within the hobby. Another category includes clipped planchets. These occur when the blanking press accidentally overlaps a previously punched hole, producing a coin missing a curved section along its edge. Genuine clips exhibit specific characteristics that help experts distinguish them from post-mint damage. Perhaps the most exciting discoveries involve wrong planchet errors. Occasionally, a blank intended for another denomination enters the cent production line. When struck with Lincoln cent dies, the resulting coin displays unusual weight, color, size, and composition. These spectacular mint mistakes are among the most valuable modern errors because they combine rarity with dramatic visual differences. Condition plays an enormous role in determining value. Two identical 1994 pennies can differ in price by thousands of dollars simply because one remained untouched while the other circulated for decades. Collectors use standardized grading systems ranging from Poor 1 to Mint State 70. Even slight differences in surface quality, luster, contact marks, and strike sharpness can dramatically influence market value. Brilliant original mint luster is especially prized. Freshly struck coins display a vibrant cartwheel effect as light rotates across the surface. Once circulation begins, this delicate luster gradually disappears due to friction. Finding a 1994 Lincoln cent with full original brilliance decades after its release is increasingly difficult, making such examples attractive to advanced collectors. Color also affects value. Copper-plated Lincoln cents are generally categorized as red, red-brown, or brown. Fully red examples retaining nearly all their original mint color typically command the highest premiums, particularly in top mint state grades. Red-brown coins exhibit partial toning, while brown coins have lost most of their original bright copper appearance through oxidation over time. One fascinating aspect of coin collecting is that ordinary people continue making valuable discoveries today. Bank roll hunters purchase boxes of pennies from financial institutions, carefully inspecting every coin under magnification. Estate sales, inherited collections, flea markets, antique shops, and forgotten jars of spare change have all produced remarkable finds. Stories regularly emerge of collectors discovering valuable varieties worth hundreds or thousands of dollars after examining coins that others considered worthless. The excitement comes from never knowing what the next coin might reveal. Every 1994 penny deserves a closer look because tiny details invisible to the naked eye can transform an ordinary cent into a significant collectible. Even experienced numismatists admit that patience, knowledge, and persistence often reward those willing to examine thousands of coins one by one. Many sensational internet headlines claim that a single 1994 penny is worth $90 million. These claims should be treated with extreme caution. As of today, there is no verified public sale of a 1994 Lincoln cent for $90 million. Exceptional error coins or top-graded rare varieties can sell for significant sums, but claims of tens of millions of dollars are generally unsupported by documented auction records. Nevertheless, genuinely rare mint errors and superb condition examples can still be worth far more than 1 cent, making every discovery exciting for collectors. As you continue examining every detail of the 1994 Lincoln cent, you begin to realize that coin collecting is much more than simply looking at old money. It is about understanding history, recognizing tiny differences that most people overlook, and appreciating the incredible precision involved in producing billions of coins every year. Every scratch, every mark, every letter, and every tiny design element tells part of the story of how that particular coin came into existence. Professional coin graders often spend years developing the skills necessary to identify subtle characteristics that separate an ordinary coin from an exceptional one. Under powerful magnification, they inspect the surfaces for original mint luster, contact marks, hairline scratches, discoloration, evidence of cleaning, environmental damage, and countless other factors. A coin that appears perfect to the average person may reveal dozens of imperfections under magnification, while another coin that looks ordinary at first glance may prove to be an extraordinary survivor with nearly flawless surfaces. One of the reasons collectors enjoy searching through modern Lincoln cents is that valuable discoveries are still being made decades after the coins entered circulation. Unlike many ancient treasures hidden underground, these coins continue moving through everyday commerce. They travel from cash registers to piggy banks, from coin jars to bankrolls, and from old family collections to estate sales. Every journey creates another opportunity for someone to discover a remarkable example. Many experienced collectors recommend using several simple tools when searching Lincoln cents. A quality magnifying glass or coin loupe with at least 10 times magnification allows tiny details to become visible. A digital scale capable of measuring hundredths of a gram helps identify unusual weights. Good lighting is equally important because original mint luster and fine doubling often become much easier to recognize when light reflects across the coin at different angles. Handling coins properly is another important lesson every collector eventually learns. Valuable coins should always be held by their edges rather than touching the faces. Fingerprints contain oils and acids that can permanently affect a coin's surface over time. Collectors often place promising discoveries into protective holders immediately after finding them to prevent accidental damage. The 1994 Lincoln cent was struck during a period when the United States Mint relied on highly advanced production equipment capable of manufacturing millions of coins every day. Even with sophisticated machinery, however, no manufacturing process is completely free from occasional mistakes. Dies wear down. Feeding mechanisms occasionally malfunction. Planchets may become damaged before striking. These rare production errors create the fascinating varieties that collectors eagerly search for today. Some collectors specialize exclusively in Lincoln cents, assembling complete collections covering every year, mint mark, and major variety. Completing such a collection can take decades because certain dates and varieties are extremely difficult to locate in high grades. For many collectors, the excitement lies not only in owning valuable coins but also in the challenge of finding them. Auction houses regularly feature outstanding Lincoln cents that attract competitive bidding from collectors worldwide. Although the majority of 1994 pennies remain worth only 1 cent in circulated condition, exceptionally preserved mint state examples certified by professional grading services can sell for significantly more. Rare mint errors such as dramatic off-center strikes, major double dies, wrong planchet errors, or other authenticated production mistakes may also command substantial premiums depending on their rarity, condition, and collector demand. It is important to remember that online claims about coin values should always be verified through reliable auction records and respected grading companies. Social media videos and sensational headlines often exaggerate values to attract attention. Smart collectors compare information from multiple trusted sources before assuming a coin is worth an extraordinary amount of money. If you believe you have discovered an unusual 1994 Lincoln cent, avoid cleaning it. Cleaning almost always reduces a collectible coin's value because it permanently alters the original surface. Instead, store the coin safely and consider having it examined by a reputable dealer or submitted to a professional grading service for authentication and grading. The story of the Lincoln cent is also the story of America itself. Since 1909, these small coins have witnessed world wars, economic booms, technological revolutions, and generations of everyday life. They have passed through the hands of soldiers, teachers, factory workers, business owners, children, and collectors. Each coin has its own journey, and no one can truly know everywhere a particular penny has traveled before ending up in your possession. Perhaps the most inspiring aspect of coin collecting is that it rewards curiosity. A person willing to slow down, observe carefully, and continue learning often discovers things that others overlook completely. What appears ordinary to one person may represent an exciting opportunity to another with the knowledge to recognize it. So the next time you receive change from a store or discover an old jar of pennies tucked away in a closet, don't rush to spend them without taking a closer look. Examine the date. Check the mint mark. Study the lettering. Look for unusual doubling, striking errors, off-center designs, or anything that appears different from a normal coin. Even if you never discover a major rarity, every coin teaches something about history, craftsmanship, and the remarkable world of numismatics. The 1994 Lincoln cent may not guarantee instant riches, but it reminds us that remarkable discoveries often begin with the smallest objects. Behind a coin worth only 1 cent at face value may be a fascinating history, a rare minting error, or a beautifully preserved example that collectors are eager to own. The thrill of the hunt, the satisfaction of learning, and the possibility of uncovering something truly special are what keep millions of collectors searching every single day. And perhaps that is the greatest value of all. Every coin tells a story. Every collection preserves a piece of history. Every careful examination builds knowledge. Somewhere, right now, an overlooked Lincoln cent is waiting to be discovered by someone willing to take that second look. So before you spend your next penny, pause for just a moment. Hold it in your hand. Look closely. Because sometimes the smallest coin can spark the biggest adventure, and the next remarkable discovery could be hiding in the change already sitting quietly in your own pocket. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoy learning about rare coins, hidden treasures, mint errors, and valuable discoveries from American history, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment about the most interesting coin you've ever found, and join us for our next journey into the fascinating world of coin collecting. Until next time, keep searching, keep learning, and remember that every great collection begins with a single coin.